hamsters! In today's episode of Hamster
Cipher,
we will talk
about creasing the Morse code for today.
Let's go to daily Cipher. Okay, and the cipher for today word is trust. So let's go. T for dash, R for dot dash dot, dot dash dot. U is for dot dot dash. So let's go dot dot dash, and S is 3 dots, dot dot dot, and T is going to be dash. Alright, my people, we've come to the end of today's cipher. So take a prize and see you guys on the next one. And don't forget to go for your special card. Okay, bye for now.
helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one. See you.
It's caught in the crossfire.